Hey, it's Ben. I've got this whiteboard. The company sent this to me in exchange for this video. So let's open it up and see what we have, see what we think. All right, I'm pretty excited about this whiteboard. All right, there's a lot of cool features about this that I want to show you. First of all, it is two-sided. So this is really handy to have a two-sided whiteboard, especially if you have multiple uses. It kind of gives you twice as much space without taking up twice as much room. There's adjustable clips here for mounting it on the wall, hanging up on screws, and it's both on the horizontal side and the vertical side. It's constructed well with plastic corners, so it gives you a little bit of drop proofing there. What it also comes with is these 4-button magnets. So this entire board is magnetized, like most whiteboards are. And we've got a small eraser, and then we have 10 different markers, many colors, and several black markers. So each one of these markers has its own eraser on the top, as well as magnetized bottom. So if you need to just have one sticking there and ready to use, you can do so. It'll just be sitting there ready to use. The markers are fine tip, and on first use are nice and bold. The markers work great. Yellow doesn't stand out super well, but I'm sure it might have a purpose here and there. One of these markers, this particular one, was a little bit dried out, but I'm hoping that's just maybe takes a little bit of working it out to get the ink to the tip of the marker. Now, demonstrating the eraser, that works perfectly well. Then if you want to use the eraser on the tip of the marker, that also works equally well. I'm pretty excited about getting this hung up in my bedroom where I work by my desk. I've been wanting a whiteboard forever, and this is just going to be the perfect addition to my desk area. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.